welcome to my channel. My name is Eileen, and today's video it's extra special because it's all about my Jollibee birthday party. You heard that right? I celebrate my 7th birthday at Jollibee, and I'm here to give you all the details, and you can also have an idea if you want to celebrate your birthday with Jollibee too. From delicious food, exciting powder games, to dancing Jollibee himself, this was unforgettable experience, and I can wait to share it to all with you. Upon waking up, my mommy greeted me with happy birthday, and we go to salon to dress up for my Jollibee party. When I walk to Jollibee, it's like stepping like in the world of fun. In the inter-party area was decked out with Jollibee signature color like red, yellow, and white. It immediately made the space feel festive and exciting. I was greeted in colors as the space is filled with Jollibee poster, balloon, and party hat. It really made the mood for fun with celebration. And the best part, the kids' play area was like its own mini theme park. There was toys, activity station for art and fun, and even a game corner and keep anyone entertained. Okay, let's talk about the food, because Jollibee definitely he knows how to make a meal special. As the birthday celebrant, I was treated to the best of the Jollibee menu, and it was delicious. First off, of course, is a Jollibee Chicken Joy. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Paired with Jollibee signature gravy. I honestly don't know where make it so perfect. Then it was have in Jollibee spaghetti. Sweet style spaghetti. Loaded hot dog slices and sweet tomato sauce. Some people find it a little unusual, but trust me, it's comfort food at its best, especially when you're surrounded by family and friends. Of course, there is Habari chocolate sundae dessert. It was perfect way to cool off at an all half delicious food. One thing I didn't love was the Jollibee team keep everything replenished so quickly. There is no waiting for refill of fresh tray. Everything is well served, hot and fresh. And no one Honestly, the food was just perfect. Now let's talk about this fun part. The games! Jollibee parties are known for the exciting fall games, and they definitely did not disappoint. There were games for both kids and adults, and they kept their energy high throughout the party. But the highlight of the party for me was the dance contest with Jollibee. The mascot came out and let everyone in fun. Easy to follow, dance with team. It was so much fun to watch everyone, including in myself, try too much Jollibee move. Honestly, I felt like a mini concert with Jollibee. The best part is I got a personal gift from Jollibee, which is a Jollibee lamp to brighten up my night every day. Throughout the party, there was tons of Jollibee prizes. I was so happy. The all little surprises that kept the excitement going. So, how much Daddy paid for all this fun at the Pickle Jollibee Party package for 20 to 30 guests can range from 10,000 to 20,000 pesos. This will include the food, decorations, games, a party host to lead the fun, and of course, the mascot Jollibee. There are free meal package available for larger groups or special add-ons like a cake or a ribbon, but honestly, for everything I get is totally worth it. Overall, celebrating my birthday at Jollibee was an absolute blast. The combination of amazing food, like the games and dancing with Jollibee, made this party I never forget. If you're looking for fun at a forgettable celebration, I highly recommend hosting on Jollibee Park. Trust me, you won't regret it. So, would you celebrate your next big day with Jollibee? Let me know on the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more fun videos and party ideas. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next party. See you next time, everyone.